Hello guys, this is the instruction which you must follow while doing the exercise. Before exam, you are tensed guys. How to get more and more marks in English, as it is the subject in which usually most of the students their marks used to come less. So what to do? If you have 1 month time prior to your exam, or 2 month time, or 3 month, or 6 month, then to be better in English, to raise your marks in English, you have to get more and more marks in English 1, because in English 2, if you understand all the topics or all the chapters and their subpoints and the key points, keywords and others, then you can get marks in English 2. But in language, it's not. You have to be precise, and the part which covers the maximum marks is question 1 and question 2, in total 50 marks. If you can score good marks in question number 1 and question number 2, then obviously your marks in English language will rise over 80 out of 100. And you know guys, that the most important part is question number 3, which I have covered, and now I am covering the question number 1 and question number 2 part. In these two parts, there are, in question number 1 it is essay, and in question number 2 it's a sort of all the writings, like in question number 2 it has report writing, newspaper writing, and all sort of things like that. If you can perform well in question number 1 and question number 2, you will be a highly benefited one from here. You have to do is just give 1 hour time in a week, or 2 hour time in a week. That means that in one day you have to give 1 hour time to solve question number 1 and question number 2. Just do it once in a week if you have 6 months in time, or twice in a week if you have 3 months in time. If you can cover all the 25 units I have given to you, if you can at least write all those sort of things at least 25 times, then it's going to give you a much bigger advantage than those who are just sitting in their chair and thinking that all these sort of things will come, and they are unknown and we have to write them those things. No, that's not the point. You have to prepare yourself how to think about the topic. You have to prepare yourself how to write, how to start the writing, how to end the writing, and how to include necessary things which you must include in an essay or in writing. So these are things needed to be practiced in essay writing, and also all the other writings which are given to you in question number 2, which I have said to you, report writing and newspaper writing and etc. So guys, best of luck for your ISC examinations and CBSE examinations, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.